Here's how you can simply upload a private video on YouTube. So first up, click on this plus icon. Once you do that, select the video you want to upload and then click on the next option and the next option again. As you can see, under the visibility tab, it says public. So you can select that and set it to private. And in this way, your video will be uploaded privately onto YouTube. But let's say you've uploaded your video already and want to set it from public to private. What you can simply do is you can simply go over to your videos by clicking onto the About You section and then clicking on the View Channel option and then go over to videos and then select the video you want to set to private by clicking on the three dots and then click on the edit option, and then under the visibility tab select it and you can then set it to private. And in this way your video will be set to private, but before it's set to private, go back and then click on the save option right over there, and that's how you can easily set that video to private. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.